David Allen's, often abbreviated as GTD, is a groundbreaking book that has revolutionized the way individuals and professionals approach productivity and time management. First published in 2001, the book has become a timeless classic, offering a systematic and practical framework for managing tasks, reducing stress, and achieving clarity in both personal and professional life. Allen's methodology is not just about getting more done, it's about creating a sense of control and focus that allows individuals to thrive in an increasingly complex and fast-paced world.
Welcome to Read and Review, where we bring the world of books to life. Whether you're into thrilling mysteries, swoon-worthy romances, or mind-bending fantasies, we've got something for everyone. Join our lively discussions, dive into insightful reviews, and become part of our bookish community. Subscribe now and never miss out on your next literary adventure. Read and Review, unlocking stories one book at a time.
At the heart of is the idea that our minds are not designed to store and manage the myriad of tasks, ideas, and commitments that modern life demands. Allen argues that by externalizing these open loops, unfinished tasks or unresolved concerns, into a trusted system, we can free up mental space and reduce stress. This system, known as the GTD workflow, is built on 5 key steps: capture, clarify, organize, reflect, and engage. These steps form the backbone of Allen's approach, providing a clear and actionable roadmap for managing commitments effectively. 1. Capture. The first step involves collecting all tasks, ideas, and commitments into an external system, whether it's a notebook, app, or digital tool. This ensures that nothing is left floating in your mind, causing unnecessary stress. 2. Clarify. Once captured, each item is processed to determine its significance and the next actionable step. Allen emphasizes the importance of breaking down tasks into specific, actionable components. 3. Organize. Tasks are then organized into categories such as projects, next actions, waiting for lists, and reference materials. This step ensures that everything has a place and can be easily accessed when needed. 4. Reflect. Regular reviews of the system are crucial to maintaining its effectiveness. Allen recommends a weekly review to update lists, reassess priorities, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. 5. Engage. With a clear and organized system in place, individuals can confidently choose what to work on based on context, time available, and energy levels. One of the greatest strengths is its practicality. Allen's system is not theoretical, it's designed to be implemented immediately. The step-by-step approach makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of their current level of organization. Additionally, the book is filled with real-world examples and actionable advice, making it easy to see how the GTD methodology can be applied to various aspects of life. Another key strength is its focus on mental clarity. By externalizing tasks and commitments, Allen's system helps individuals achieve a state of mind like water, where they can respond to challenges with calm and focus. This concept resonates deeply in today's world, where distractions and information overload are constant challenges. While it's highly effective, it may not be for everyone. Some readers might find the system overly detailed or time-consuming to set up initially. The emphasis on capturing and organizing every single task can feel overwhelming, especially for those who prefer a more minimalist approach to productivity. Additionally, the book's focus on individual productivity may not fully address the complexities of team-based or collaborative work environments. Is more than just a productivity book. It's a comprehensive guide to achieving clarity, control, and focus in all areas of life. David Allen's methodology has stood the test of time, helping millions of people worldwide to manage their commitments more effectively and reduce stress. While the system requires an initial investment of time and effort to set up, the long-term benefits are undeniable. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone simply looking to get more organized, offers a proven framework for achieving your goals and living a more productive, stress-free life. In a world where distractions are constant and demands are ever-increasing, Allen's timeless advice remains as relevant as ever. Your mind is for having ideas, not holding them. By implementing the GTD system, readers can unlock their full potential and truly get things done. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments which book we should review next.